Hi, my name is Valerie. I'm a systems engineer here at AGI, and today I'm going to demo how we can add a model attachment type vector in Analysis Workbench. So if you want to have a vector that moves with your model, I can show you how to do that. So first, I'm going to create a new scenario using SDK12 and accept the default start and stop times. The first thing we're going to do is insert a satellite, and the way we're going to insert a satellite is using the Orbit Wizard tool. Now I'm going to clean up and maximize my SDK window screen. Now in Analysis Workbench, I'm going to create the vector that uses the model attachment type. This will actually add a vector that is attached to your model. So you need to use a model type that has attachment points. One of these models that we're going to use is called the ISS. I'm going to go into my satellites properties and add this type now. Now that we're on the 3D graphics model page, I'm going to change the model type to use the ISS. I've selected the ISS model type, and this model type actually has the attachment points that we can select inside of Analysis Workbench. Now I'm going to go inside of Analysis Workbench and create the vector that uses the model attachment type. I've created a new vector, and I'm going to change the type to model attachment. And I'm going to make my pointable element type, or attachment point, be perpendicular with the solar arrays on the ISS. You can see now when you select this, all of the different attachment points that you have within this model. Lastly, I now need to add the vector on the satellite and then zoom to the vector and see how it looks. So I'm going to go back to my satellite's properties and choose the 3D Graphics Model tab. I'm going to choose the 3D Graphics Vector tab. I'm going to add the perpendicular solar arrays vector that I made inside of Analysis Workbench. I'm going to scale the vector to be a size of 2, and this scaling is relative to the model size. I can now zoom to my satellite, and you'll see that the vector we made will now move with the satellite. As I play through the scenario here, you can see that the vector is attached to the model and is moving perpendicular to the solar arrays. We can even automate this inside of MATLAB or other coding languages. I'm now going to pull up the code that I've created for this. Here's the MATLAB code. Thanks. And if you have any questions, please contact the corporate engineering team. Thank you.